Chevette world, Chevette owners, T-body performance fans, I am back in the game. And while, yes, some of the projects that were here last time are still here, they're much further along. I also just received a new Pontiac that I'm going to be doing some fuel system testing on, some MPG testing, and I have just received in my hands from Timothy and Quinton Melcher with Auto City Classics and some of our Chevette owners members, a fuel tank sending unit. Brand new. Not something modified to fit the car, but actually something for the car specifically. So give me just a second here. Alright. Get this thing open here. I'm excited to see it, and it worked out perfect. I have to test my fuel tank setup on the Pontiac anyway, and the gauge doesn't work in that car. So, all right, let me put this down and cut this tape real quick. All right. So, since the Pontiac needs a fuel tank sending unit anyway, and it has a brand new fuel tank in it, courtesy of a former owner, I'm going to go ahead and plop this in, and we're going to give it a good test since we have a car that has a dead unit in it. Brand new sock, brand new rheostat, 0 to 90 ohm GM rheostat, just like the Chevette uses. Factory setup. It's got the factory bends, it's got the factory ends, it's got the nice factory style ground that runs over to your chassis. Now when you are installing these, typically you would install them with a star washer, but this one has its own star washer built in. You may still want to use a star washer, but there you are. Make sure you clean your body connection up when you insert these. So I am in the process of a few other things that you will see here in an upcoming video. I wanted to get this out right now because this is a very important new thing added to our ever slowly growing list of restoration stuff that's available for our cars now. So shout out again to Timothy and Quinton Melcher. If it wasn't for them working this with, I'm not sure exactly who they've got making them right now, but whoever they've got making them right now, they did a wonderful job on it, and I'll show the install. These will be available as soon as I am done testing it. So we get a full tank of gas and a full to empty read, and I've confirmed everything's good. These are going to be hot off the press real fast, so stay tuned. In the meantime, I'm excited to get back to things. I'm hoping to see you guys here real soon with the Brazilian car on its wheels. I have a lot to go over there, as well as a couple of the other vehicles that we're working on here. So in the meantime, keep that shiny side up.